Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Your best bet, make your own sweet and sour sauce. The simplest versions of it require only a mild vinegar such as rice vinegar combined with a sweetener. Popular sweeteners for sweet and sour sauce include sugar or honey.
Take our lead.
A mixture of cornstarch and water is added to the pot of ingredients to thicken the sweet and sour sauce. If you are missing cornstarch, do not boil down the sauce before adding in the cornstarch mixture, as it can become much too overpowering with the amount of sugar and vinegar in the sauce. 23 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a separate cup, whisk 3/4 cup cold water or pineapple juice with 4 tablespoons cornstarch until well blended. Whisk vigorously into the ketchup mixture. Bring to a boil while whisking until bubbly, then reduce heat to low and simmer until thickened. Remove from heat. Keep in mind, the sauce will get thicker when cooled. 8 December 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.